Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. I am Brandi Rose, if you did not know. Today we're doing another hair video. Today I want to make it really simple and short because there's two videos of me pretty much doing this same exact thing, and I don't want to just keep recording the same thing over and over. I want to try something a little bit different, but we're still gonna get with this regularly scheduled length check. So let's part my hair down the middle. Wow, that's crazy. So my hair is now right here. Actually, it's really at my chin, but it's very thin. There we go. Yeah, it's kind of like right here. Yeah, it's right here. From right here to right. Yeah, let's see. It is now right here. It was right here. And also a reminder, I did trim my hair, so I think that what triggered it to grow more now, because I needed to trim my back versus the first time it didn't really grow. It just got a little thicker. Just like, well, this is fine, but this isn't thick all the way to the end. It's just a little thin, you know, like it's thick right in here, but it goes all the way down to here. All right, so you guys know the drill. Rice water. Rice water, rice water. It smells so good. Today we're bringing back our homemade hair mask. Ooh, it's all thick now. I like that. Alright, so I have my hair flat twisted to lock in this good old moisture, and my hair rice watered down, and we're gonna sit for another 30 minutes. Alright, so I am back from rinsing out the hair mask and rice water rinse. This is how I put my hair. I also put some coconut butter in my hair to lock in that good old moisture. You know the drill. We're gonna take my hair loose and put in my natural hair moisturizer. Man, almost out. And back we are with the finish. This is what my hair looks like. I'm not gonna show you guys what it looks like tomorrow if I take it loose, because I'm not taking it loose because I don't take my hair loose throughout the week, because I've learned throughout the years in the past that when you leave your hair in, let's say, braids or any protective styles, or you know, if you just leave your hair alone and keep it twisted up, put up all together, or whatever, like box braids, flat twists, you know, wig, the occasional wig, things like that, your hair grows faster. Just like when you get fox locks and you leave them in for a month and then you got all that new growth. Girl, it's because you left your hair alone. So today, I am gonna show you guys what I do throughout the week. I get my cap, put my cap on my head. My hair, by the way, feels amazing. It feels so strong. It's been getting thicker. It hasn't been shedding as much. But I will say the only con, the one and only con, because the stuff do not stink, because I put the lavender and the rosemary in it, so it does not stink. I don't have to deal with that. My head itches throughout the week. It itches. Like, it's nothing unbearable or anything, but if you guys try this, just know the itching is normal. I don't know. That's just, I know a lot of people experience that too. Okay. Sometimes I put 2 of them on, 2 caps on, so my hair lays down real good. Cover my whole head and just, I do that so I can lay my edges. Now I will say, even my edges got longer or thicker or something, because like, just look at them. Well, especially right here, this is not this much. I did not have this much baby hair right here. I did. I'm not even gonna flex, I did. I had baby hairs, I had edges. Your girl definitely had edges, so don't even try me right there, sis, okay? Anywho, but yeah, my edges definitely got longer and thicker. If you're wondering what edge control I use the Style Factor from a local beauty store, Beauty and Beauty. You know, just use whatever you got. This just works for me. I'ma bring your girl out. I'ma bring out the girl. I guess I want to be a little extra today. I don't know. Somebody name this wig in the comments below, because I don't have a name for her. The name for my other one is Sasha, but then I'm like, damn, this looks more like a Sasha. But you guys name this girl, that girl, in the comments below. So I got it super tight because my head is not that thing on big, and usually this thing just does not feel, you know. Oh, my edges are in there. Well, my wig edges are in there. See? See how I did that? It is your girl. I definitely trimmed this wig. It is not human hair. I don't even have no pins in it. Look how vibrant it is though. It's pretty. She is pretty. And it has combs in it, like right in here. Where's the comb? The comb is right here. So I'm gonna slide my cap back a little bit and just swoop. And do the same to this side and pull the little edges out of here because it has little fake edges as well. And swoop, there we go. I always like to pull it up just a little bit. And you see how this is just a little fake edge from the wig. And I don't like how this looks. It just looks like there needs to be more edges right there. So I'm gonna just, y'all, I'll cut this wig so dang on much it don't make no sense. And then I'm gonna put in this edge with my hair. See, I want it to look more realistic. So I just play with it until I get it how I want it. Okay, that's better. That's a little bit better, I guess, whatever. See, and then it goes in with my real edges. See that blend game? Sis know how to blend wig! And I think this is a synthetic wig. I really don't care, it don't matter. It works, you feel me? All right, so this is the hair. It was down here, but I cut it to match the shape of my head. This is what I do. I just leave my hair flat twisted in a cap and then put a wig on top take the wig off every day at night, keep the cap on, just keep my hair all together so it can stay strong and grow long. And yeah, that's just what I do. That's what's been helping me along this hair growth journey. Now all I gotta do is throw in some lashes and your girl is in there popping. Alright you guys, so this is what I do. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video. Cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. So make sure you click that subscribe button, hit that bell button so you can get a notification for my next hair length check. Make sure you like. Make sure you name this wig in the comments below. She full of bounce. Damn.